How to fix unrecognized disk on PS4. In order to fix this issue, let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out with the step-by-step process. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. So in order to fix this issue, the very first thing you wanna try doing is restarting your PS4. Restarting your console clears most glitches and allows you to turn on correctly. To restart your PS4, hold down the PS button on the controller and select power, and then restart PS4. After restarting, try the game disk again. Once you have restarted, now the next thing you want to do is you have to make sure your PS4 game disk is clean. You have to check if there is any scratches on the disk, and then clean it out if it is dirty. Once you have cleaned the disk, try inserting it again. After that, the next thing you want to do is update your software in safe mode. Safe mode is a feature that lets you start and use your console with the bare minimum of program. Updating the software in this mode is a great way to make sure everything's current while temporarily stopping any system issue that could be causing your PS4 disk read error. So make sure to update your software in safe mode. After that, try factory resetting your PS4. The last stop on your console troubleshooting journey is a factory reset. This kind of reset will delete your game files and restore your console back to the default settings. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix unrecognized disk on PS4. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.